Quick cheat code doing the plumbing. Basically take a cardboard box and we're gonna do a little bit of CAD, cardboard aided design. So I got my pipe right here. We're going right to the edge right there. Yes, this does inlay just ever so slightly. So we're gonna take up that measurement, but we're literally just gonna take this pipe. We're just gonna press. I'm just gonna press on it. That's gonna leave an indentation. Now we're gonna cut that out. Okay, so there's your first hole. Boom, right there. And we got literally 2 more. So we're gonna push the edge of the cardboard against the wall and against this stub. I don't know why everybody always does all this measuring. It's literally unnecessary. So there we go. Now I'll pull this back off. You can see we got 2 indentations for the pipes. So I'm gonna cut that out with the razor blade. Okay, and then there it is. There's your holes. There's your little, chop the end of this off or whatever. Maybe, honestly, maybe I won't. I might just put an extra escutcheon at the end and then we'll put that bad boy in, but pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I don't know why more people don't use CAD. There's a lot of cardboard that comes with your stuff, so just use the cardboard accordingly, make a quick template, boom, ready, set, go, no measuring done. Put a little bit of gap on the end, like 1/4 inch, trace it onto your stuff, draw out the holes, good to go. You wanna look at them before, you just boom, boom. You can see those holes right here. We'll pop this in. Yeah, that should make up pretty much the perfect gap in my opinion. So we'll go ahead and do that. What I'm gonna do is just take the top off of here real quick. We'll cut out the holes, slide this back in, throw that back on, and this thing will be built. All right, you can see I drilled 2 quick holes. No measuring here, literal eyeballing. We got this last hole saw. That looks like the hole right there. Oh yeah, we're gonna do it with 2 hands. So we got the holes now lined up, looking good. And sweet, let's go ahead and put this on. So you can see, literally just slides right over. So I'm gonna take these screws out and pop it on. And dude, I mean, come on now. That didn't take long. So got those holes, got all those little things installed. We're good to go on the front. Now we can just throw this cabinet back in.